Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, April 5th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities, probably 4 for most because we're going to be at both of these trades, but just a great, and we had a couple other little things that we just had to get out of that were break evens and things like that that a lot of people didn't take either. But these were our main trades today. We had no losers today. Um, and I know it sounds kind of like a broken record for you guys that are following the videos, but if you come in and check out the trial, you'll see what we're talking about. We got short in gold, short in gold 1249, 1249 on an RS trade. And that was, let me get you the exact time there on that. We got into that trade. That would have been after the 839 candle, 1248.9, 1249. We took that trade down to my circle, which was the target. That was about a 35 tick trade, up to 35 ticks, 30, for people who got up here. And that was a great way to start the morning. Trading crude, we had a power play short. We took that, and this was a weird one because we got short there at 57, but because it was crude news, we actually had some people had 4, 5, 6, 7 ticks of negative slippage, meaning they got a worse price. We actually had somebody, because what happened was the crude went down, ticked our price, and it shot up, and then it went back down again. Some people were filled all the way as high as 74, which is amazing. Which, like, I didn't get that. I had negative slippage by a couple ticks, but either way, the trade worked out beautifully. We got down from, average people were in from were 50. Nobody got 57. They either got, a couple people got positive slippage, or they got between like 54 and like 50. And took that trade down from 50. Went down to first profit target area was right around here. And then for anybody who wanted to do an add-on or a new entry, we got short after it came down here and retraced on an RS 5130. Okay, so we got from 5150, okay, down here, or from 5130 down here. So the 5150s made, over 60 ticks. Okay, and then the 5130s made about 40 ticks. Made a few more, but told people not to be greedy when it got down here. Gold so far was the low of the day. Crude so far we called the low of the day, almost to the tick. And then those are two beautiful trades there in the ES. Told people I didn't really want people to be in multiple trades. And so I first started talking about this one, said the crude would probably be a little better, but we did have an opportunity to get short at 23.74 on a death candle trade right at the crude news. Obviously, that was a beautiful trade for those who took it. The crude was better. So for those, we did have some people take it. For those who took it, you're talking about 23.74 all the way down to where we ended up getting long. Okay, we actually got long at 65 quarter here, 65.50. So that was a beautiful trade there. 9 points or so, and 8.5 points, up to 8.5 points. Most people, like I said, were in the crude or did not take this, or who took it and got out, made 3-4 points. So not a lot of people were in when it got down here, only a handful. And then we got long. I told everybody if the price gets down to 65.50, 65 quarter, that's where I would start taking it. We're going to start buying. Sure enough, they bought right off the 65.50s. Even 65 quarters would have been filled. Some people said they got 65, 75, 66. Either way, it's all good. The trade made from 65.50 up to 71. Again, when the market got up here, given the time of day, I told everybody that's probably good. If you want to hold one, you can, but I don't know what's going to happen after that. You're going to have to live through pullbacks, which sure enough happened here. So, from 55, 65.50 to 71. It's about another 5.5 point trade. Just a great day. We're going to be back tomorrow and do it all over again, and we will see you back tomorrow. Thanks.